Okay, listen here. Guess what? Today, this is a lesson about how to be a Cape Cod girl. Okay, now, you see my hair? Yeah, this is a braid. Of course you know what a braid is, but I'm just saying. Okay, how to be a Cape Cod girl is you have to be oppressed, and you have to be rich, 'cause everybody in Cape Cod always is oppressed. All the little 16-year-old hugger little girls. Okay, now, this is how you look like one. You have to have a braid to the side like this, and then you have to wear Hollister shorts, Hollister shirts, everything Hollister, or Abercrombie, or all those other expensive, stupid little brands that you could probably buy at TJ Maxx or some other crap like that. You know what I mean? And you know what I'm saying? All these little Cape Cod girls, they are like, oh, let me go get my purse, because every time I go get my purse, I have to get my money, so I go to Berry Twisted and get myself some ice cream, because I need my ice cream, because I'm a Cape Cod girl, okay? Now, see here? See my shorts? These are Hollister shorts. The Hollister. And I am wearing Hollister shorts because I am a Cape Cod girl. And for the makeup, you need to wear eyeliner like this, and you put on, what's it called? Some of that liquid eyeliner, and it's gold and it's sparkly, and you have to put it just right there. And don't cover your whole eye. Just put it on top of your eyelid, on the crease of your eyelashes. And sometimes Cape Cod girls, they are 16, but they're all skinny. You can't be fat. You can't be fat if you're a Cape Cod girl. I mean, seriously. They're all cheerleaders, and they're all the same, seriously. Like, they all talk crap about everyone, and they all dress the same, and it's getting kind of boring. And they all wear the hair the same. Either they do this, or they straighten it. Like, what the hell? I mean, they're all boring little Cape Cod girls, and they all dress the same, and they all skinny, and they all say they're fat, and they all go on a diet. But they not even fat. They go on a diet for no reason. I mean, I am skinny, but some of those other obese, fat, ugly black women, they need to go on a diet, not the skinny little Cape Cod girls. You know what I'm saying? I mean, come on now. You need to go buy some socks, buy some sneakers, and go to the gym. You need to go to the gym and go to the hair salon so you can get those nasty dreadlocks out of your hair. Some of those ugly scumbag people. I'm sorry if you're watching this and you're like that, but seriously, you can watch some videos on YouTube on how to be pretty and do your hair and do your makeup and not have greasy hair. The trick to having greasy hair is you don't wash out all your conditioner. What the heck? I mean, come on. Ew, look what I just found. I just found this nasty little Band-Aid. I found it sticking there right there on the blanket. That's disgusting. That's not right. So, anyways, this is the lesson on how to be a Cape Cod girl, 'cause I used to live in Cape Cod, but I just noticed this, of all the Cape Cod girls, 'cause my cousin, yeah, she's a little brat. Ooh, I hate her sometimes, but I do love her. I mean, she's my cousin. And, she's one of those princesses who was a little brat, and she's like one of those rich little Cape Cod girls who are all up in their business and put their hair to the braid and put on that eyeliner stuff, and they only wear flats. They wear flats from Forever 21 and all that other stuff, and they don't even care about how much money they spend. And she has a friend, and her name is Paris, and she's the same way. They both cheerleader captains, and they go to a school that I'm not going to tell you because that's kind of private, and it's kind of weird and awkward. I mean, if she's probably going to watch this, oh my god, this is a long video, and I hate watching long videos, so I'm going to end this now. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to put this up on the show, video, YouTube, whatever, I don't really care. Do I have a good black accent? This isn't my real accent. I mean, I'm kind of getting like, stupid long videos.